Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen. Blankita lifestyle.
Delicious.
Got the recipes for ya.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
In your tummy, tummy.
Got the recipes for ya.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So for this recipe, we'll be needing 2 cups of almond flour or almond meal, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and of course 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Let's make some cookies. All right, guys, so we're gonna take the coconut oil and place it into a large bowl, and then we're gonna add in the maple syrup. You wanna make sure that you mix it all well and it's like a creamy mixture because it's your base. Now we're gonna add in 1 egg. For vegan option, please check the description below. Add 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract and mix that in to make sure it's well incorporated, and scrape down those sides because you want to make sure everything gets mixed perfectly. Add in your salt, mix it up, and go ahead and add in the baking soda. Mix that in as well. Now we're going to add in by thirds our almond flour or almond meal and mix it in gradually. Repeat until it's all incorporated. Final one, you add in those chocolate chips. I add in 1/2 of it at a time. You can also use the mini chocolate chips if you want to have less chocolate in your mixture. We're going to scoop that up and place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For added chocolatiness, you can always add a few chips on top of the cookies prior to baking. Add that into a preheated oven at 380 for 8 to 9 minutes, and voila! Almond chocolate chip cookies, gluten-free and dairy-free. I hope you enjoy. Buen provecho!
Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, here's some more that you can check out. Every Sunday at noon, I release a brand new video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Like that, you'll be notified as soon as one of my videos is released. Hope to hear from you soon. Enjoy!